Alright, you guys, this is a flat iron tutorial. Not really, I have so many of those. I'm really flat ironing my hair because I got a new flat iron and I want to try it. So it's really not a tutorial, but I'm probably going to explain in this video anyways how I flat iron it. But actually, this is actually not my normal method. This will actually be, the flat iron kind of does everything itself, so you'll just see me flat iron my hair. I just want to go over a few steps, and then after that I'm not going to talk anymore. It's just going to be self-explanatory. I am using the Design Essentials Natural, and this is blow dry and styling primer. I already used the shampoo and the conditioner. This is step 3. Thermal protectant cream is step 4. I put that on after I blow dry my hair. Now, this flat iron, you're supposed to be able to flat iron your hair in this state without blow drying it. Now, if your hair is wet, I still recommend kind of blow dry it. I am going to try to flat iron my hair in this state after I run a blow dryer to my roots, because I just don't want it wet to heat. Like, I just don't want to hear all that popping and all that. You're probably still gonna hear a little bit, but I just don't like to flat iron my hair from wet to, and I don't even think you can really do that with this flat iron. I think your hair just has to be dry, but it can be in its natural state. So just gonna put this heat protectant spray for the blow drying part, and then after I blow dry, I'm going to rub this in, and this is the thermal protectant for the flat iron. Now I'm probably going to use another heat protectant, as I always do. I am heat protectant crazy. If you guys have watched any of my other videos, I just like to make sure that my hair is going to go back to its natural state. Okay, today we are using the MaxiGlide XP. So it has little prongs like that, and it's supposed to do like the chase method by itself. Here goes a water chamber for steam. I really don't care for steam. Not sure if you have to use it, but I'm gonna use it today. I'm gonna put a little bit of water in there. All right, I'll put a little bit of water in there. I will see if I use it or not. There's the little button, that you would press or the steam. Make sure it's 3 inches away from your scalp. So as y'all know, I cannot go without another heat protectant to spray on each section. It's just what I do. Ooh, y'all, my hair is just like in a rough state, I feel. I don't know. I haven't been taking care of it as much. Dang it. I'm just going to go over it because I don't want it to pull at my hair. Okay. They say you should be able to go against your scalp like this, because this is not very hot and it's already at its temperature, but these sides are not as hot. But don't press the steam. And this is the steam. I kind of see some coming out. There it is. Okay. Okay. Ooh, y'all, I'm scared. Ooh, let me make sure I'm not playing with the steam. Ooh, it's like pulling at my hair. Hold the heck up. Okay. Either I didn't comb my hair out right, y'all. I mean, I don't know, I just felt like it was pulling my hair. Let me see. Try it again. See, I'm not sure if I like that. That's just not a smooth glide for me. It straightened it, clearly. But y'all, like, that just was not smooth. I'm a little upset. I spent a lot on that. Let me keep going. I'm not the one to kind of go over these, and I really don't feel like it needs to, but I'm just trying to figure out what's really going on. Let me try a little steam. It definitely straightened it. My honest opinion so far is it's not smooth. Like, it doesn't run through smooth. It pulls my hair. I'm gonna try again. See, heck no. Y'all, like, it literally pulled my hair. I'm glad they gave me a flat plate with this, because I just might do the chase method with a comb instead of use this. I'm gonna try it again. Highly disappointed. Now my hair a little rough and dry, but come on, y'all. And on the box it say for more challenging hair. I don't know what that means. Like, you trying to say my hair is challenging? I don't know. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Oh my gosh. Has like a little bit of my hair. Now, if it was only doing that at the ends, I really wouldn't trip. But the fact that it's doing it up here with my the healthiest part of my hair, that concerns me. All right, you guys. I'm just about to make this quick and simple. I don't know if it was because my room was hot, but my hair is already starting to freeze up. I don't know if it was because I'm just so frustrated or what. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all see my hair, and then I'm just gonna let y'all know exactly how I feel about it. Excuse the train. Like, I'm tired. I'm fed up today. Okay. This is the side. I need a much needed trim. Much needed trim. I don't even know how my hair looks in the back. I'll worry about that later. So, where do I start? Okay, like I said, my hair is just frizzy. It's not bone straight. Almost looks like a blowout right now. But this thing, I'm just not sure if I'll ever use this again. This is gonna be my honest review. If I do use it, it will not be, I will have to change the plate to the flat plate, because it took me a while to get it to not pull all my hair out. It wasn't pulling a whole lot, but it just didn't look good in the flat iron. Like, I was just like, it's not supposed to do that. I noticed what worked easier was to start off from the ends and then go back to the top and go straight through. I hate that because that's like a second pass on my hair. I don't like that. I am hoping my hair isn't damaged, because you'll get really frustrated with it. It pulls. The only other time I might try this is on blow dried hair and see if that makes a difference. But I don't know if I like this. You guys comment down below if you guys have ever tried this. Know anybody that has tried this, if they liked it or not. I will say it will get your hair straight from natural, but I don't know if you want to like be frustrated that much. I really don't know. I don't think I care for this, but I'm going to try it again another time on blow dried hair, or maybe just with the flat plate. I'm gonna switch the plates and go from there. I really didn't use the steam at all. I was already frustrated from it pulling my hair out. I didn't even feel like pressing that button. I just wish it was smoother. Try not to, if you do use this, don't push down too hard, because that's when it's really gonna pull your hair. Don't push down too hard, and take your time. Don't go over several times. And that's about it. Like, I've never flat ironed my hair like this. Like, did a video of my hair flat iron and it wasn't flat iron, like, for real. I like bone straight. The first time something really didn't work well. Some of this might be because it was hot in my room. I didn't realize it until my hair started frizzing up. But I also was very frustrated, so I might have been working myself up a little bit. And it steams up a lot, no matter what. But this is the end result. Yeah, I'm about to go to bed. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, comment down below, y'all. I just don't know about this. I just don't know about this, but I will try it again if it did not damage my hair. But I'm gonna leave this like this for about a week because it's just not time to wash my hair. I just washed it. So thank you for watching.